Hey guys, I'm Mark from MKsEnglish.com, the website that helps you speak real English in real life situations. And today's episode is all about one of the most useful skills when you travel or live abroad: how to order food in English. Whether you're sitting down at a restaurant, grabbing coffee, or ordering fast food, you'll learn the key phrases and natural expressions that English speakers really use. So let's get started. When you walk into a restaurant, the first thing you'll usually do is tell the host or waiter how many people are in your group. You can say something like, "Table for one, please." One more time. "Table for one, please." Or you could say, "Table for two, please." "Table for three, please." "Table for four, please." Whatever matches how many people are in your group. After that, they'll usually guide you to your table. Once you sit down, it's common for the waiter to ask you if you'd like something to drink. You can respond politely by saying, "I'd like some water, please." One more time. "I'd like some water, please." Or you could say, "Just water for now, thank you." Just water for now, thank you. It's short, polite, and, of course, natural. When you're ready to order, it's good to signal politely by saying, "I'm ready to order." "I'm ready to order." Then, when you ask for your meal, use "Could I have?" One more time. "Could I have?" Or "I'll have." Once more. "I'll have." Both sound friendly and respectful. For example, you might say, "Could I have the chicken, please?" "Could I have the chicken, please?" Or, "I'll have the burger and fries." "I'll have the burger and fries." If you prefer something more casual, especially in a cafe, you can say, "Can I get?" "Can I get?" For example, "Can I get the grilled salmon, please?" "Can I get the grilled salmon, please?" Sometimes, in a different country, you'll see items on the menu that you're not so sure about. That's completely normal, right? You can ask questions such as, "What do you recommend?" "What do you recommend?" Or, "What's today's special?" "What's today's special?" If you have special dietary preferences or allergies, it's perfectly fine to ask for small changes. You can say, "Can I have it without onions?" "Can I have it without onions?" Or, "Does this come with rice or bread?" "Does this come with rice or bread?" These phrases are polite and help you get exactly what you want. When you're done eating and ready to pay, there are two common ways to ask for the bill. In American English, you could say, "Could I get the check, please?" "Could I get the check, please?" In British English, it's, "Could I have the bill, please?" "Could I have the bill, please?" American English check, British English bill. If the food was good, it's nice to compliment the restaurant. You can say, "Everything was delicious." Everything was delicious. Or, that was amazing, thank you. That was amazing, thank you. It's a small gesture that always makes the staff smile. If you're in a more casual setting, like a cafe or fast food restaurant, the process is even simpler. When it's your turn, you can say something like, "Can I get a large coffee and a sandwich, please?" Can I get a large coffee and a sandwich, please? The staff might ask whether you want to eat there or take your food away. They'll usually say for here or to go. And you can answer with for here, if you're staying, or to go, if you're taking it away. So let's quickly review some of today's key phrases. Table for two, please. Table for two, please. Could I have the chicken pasta, please? Could I have the chicken pasta, please? What do you recommend? What do you recommend? Could I get the check, please? Could I get the check, please? For here. For here. To go. To go. These simple phrases can help you order food smoothly and confidently anywhere in the world. Well, thanks again for listening to another Survival English episode. If you found today's episode helpful, visit MKsEnglish.com for more short lessons, practice activities, and online English classes. And remember, the best way to learn is to use your English in real life. So next time you eat out, try using these expressions and enjoy your meal with confidence. See you next time, and happy eating!